Hey everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen. My name is Heather and today is another review video. This review video is from a brand called Hescred, and you guys, it's for the Anova immersion circulator or similar devices. Now, I do have an Anova immersion circulator right there, but guess what, you guys? I got a second one. I know. It's because we entertain a lot, so no judgment. We do use both of them all of the time. But this product today from Hescred is gonna change my world. It's already changed my world. I have already used it for probably a week before doing this video, so that I knew that when I reviewed this for you, I would be like either 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or both thumbs down. But you guys, this product today is 2 thumbs up. What am I talking about? I am talking about a silicone lid for your pot immersion circulator. You guys, Hescred has done it. I don't know if other people have done it, and I don't know why I didn't think that this was a product before now. But when they reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to review this? I didn't even think about it. I'm like, yes. Yes, please, I want that. And do you have another bigger one? Because I have a huge pot that I like to do ribs and other large cuts of meat in, and it is bigger than 10.8 inches. But for right now, they only have 10.8 inches, and you guys, I'm gonna show you why everybody needs this in your life if you have an immersion circulator like that or like that. One's a 3.0 and one's just the regular. Let's move on. Let's start this review. So those of you that have immersion circulators, you know that when you, or maybe you don't know, hold on, hold the phone, let's back up. Maybe you don't know, so let me just go over this. Now, if you are new to the immersion circulator sous vide cooking method, when you turn on your sous vide, you're gonna need 2 things if your cook is longer than about 2 hours. Number 1, you're gonna need a hot pad. So all of my pots sit on their own little hot pad. And that's important because this pot can get hot enough to burn your countertops. Ask me how I know. I know. There is a mark on this countertop from my dear son who accidentally forgot to put it on when he was making, okay. Anyway, you want a hot pad or trivet. That's number 1. Number 2, you're gonna want a cover on this. If your cook is longer than like an hour or 2, you're gonna get so much water evaporation that your water level will sink low and sometimes it will interrupt cooking. Now, if you're out of the house and your water level sinks below that line and it turns off, that is a nightmare for your food inside of this cooker. So what do we end up doing all of the time? Saran wrap. So you can either saran wrap the crap out of the top of your pot and hope that you get everything covered. And usually saran wrap does a pretty good job, but man, is it wasteful. I mean, look at all of this waste. Or you can use some foil, same idea. You cover it all up, but the foil tends to collect a little bit more condensation than not, but you definitely want to cover it. So that's where this lid comes into play. So this is the lid from Hescred, like I mentioned, and it just slips right over your up to 10.8 inch pot. And you guys, it's so pretty, it's so perfect. It fits so snugly in there that you are gonna get 0 water evaporation. In fact, we're gonna do a test on this thing. So, as you can see here, both of my water levels are exactly the same. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this guy and we're gonna set each of these for 197. So as you can see here, both of my water levels are exactly the same. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cover this guy and we're gonna set each of these for 197. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave the close camera running on this so that you can see exactly what happens and the time in which it happens. Now, as you watch this fast forward video, you will see this water start to go down rather quickly. Like at hour 1, we have lost, if I was a math major, I would be able to tell you how much exactly we're gonna lose here because I would be able to do math, but I don't. I can just see the water level drop. By the end of hour 2 now, oh my goodness, that is so much water. Now, as we watch it, I went ahead and stopped at about hour 4, as you can see here, and look how much less water is in that pot. Then you check out the other pot, and all of the water is still inside the pot. This product, I'm just gonna tell you what, I ordered another one because I have 2 pots and I have 2 immersion circulators and I need 2 of these. The only thing that I wish that this had was a bigger size. Literally, it's only $12.99. It is a great deal. It will save the environment, 1 plastic roll at a time, or foil, or whatever. But I don't know why I didn't look for one of these before. Oh, and I thought I would tell you that it does work on the top of a Cambro as well. So here you see, I can just put it on the Cambro and it covers it completely. And you can even move it off to the side to give it a little bit snugger of a fit. But it actually works fantastic, which means that you don't have to have a fully round pan. Now, the other thing that I saw when I did that test was that this pot never fully made it to 197 degrees. And that's because I was losing some of that heat out the top of this pan. Whereas this one stayed at 197 and was a better cook in general because the temperature was better regulated with a lid on. So even if you're not cooking for more than an hour, having a lid on your pot while you sous vide is actually pretty ideal. So I love this product, and $12.99, oh my goodness, that is a great gift. Great gift price point too. Now, I get 0. I get nothing for this review. This is just my honest review of this product. And I'm gonna buy several of these, one for my dad, one for my sister, because this is amazing. And this will save so much anxiety in all of us, because I don't have to worry in my overnight cooks anymore that my water is going to fall too low and then turn off, or when I'm out of the house, and oh, I just love it. Another little feature is it has a little hook. Those of you who have been following the channel for any length of time know that I love my silicone lids for my pots. They also hang on a hook because they have hooks on them. This is gonna hang with those, and you guys, this is amazing. All right, you guys, well, if you enjoyed that video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. I do review videos when I feel the product is worth it, and this one is worth it. If you like these review videos, let me know, and I will try to do a couple more that I have in the back burners. But that's it for me, you guys. We'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.